Number 8. Ferrari 812 Superfast. If raw power in Italian elegance had a love child, it would be the Ferrari 812 Superfast. This beast roars with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, unleashing 800 horsepower and a heart-pounding top speed of 211 miles per hour. Ferrari didn't stop at sheer force. The Superfast boasts lightning-quick gear changes and innovative electronic systems to manage that immense power. Think of it as an F1 car with luxurious leather seats. From iconic Rosso Corsa Red to sophisticated Grigio Silverstone, the 812 Superfast embodies timeless automotive artistry in a wide range of stunning colors. Number 7. Pagani Huayra. The Pagani Huayra isn't just a hypercar, it's a rolling sculpture of automotive passion. This Italian masterpiece features a Mercedes-AMG-sourced, twin-turbocharged 6.0-liter V12 engine that unleashes over 700 horsepower, hurtling it to a top speed of 238 miles per hour. Its design is pure drama, with active aerodynamic elements like gull-wing doors and air flaps that shift and morph along with the car's incredible speed. The Huayra blends exposed carbon fiber with intricate detailing and opulent leather, creating a cockpit that feels both futuristic and steeped in craftsmanship. Number 6. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Forget everything you think you know about supercars. The Aston Martin Valkyrie rewrites the rule book. This Formula One-inspired creation delivers a staggering 1160 horsepower, thanks to its hybrid powertrain, a collaboration between Aston Martin and legendary engine builders Cosworth. With a projected top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour, the Valkyrie isn't just fast, it's in a league of its own. Aerodynamics take center stage, with wind-sculpted curves and cutting-edge, track-derived technology ensuring maximum downforce and stability. The Valkyrie pushes the limits of design and engineering, blurring the line between road car and racing machine. Number 5. Rimac Nevera. Get ready to witness the future of performance. The Rimac Nevera redefines what an electric hypercar can be, with 4 independent electric motors generating a mind-blowing 1914 horsepower. The Nevera rockets to a top speed of 258 miles per hour, challenging the dominance of gas-powered rivals. But this Croatian hypercar isn't just about speed. Its advanced torque vectoring and AI-driven systems translate that power into unmatched agility and cornering prowess. The Nevera's performance feels otherworldly, and its sleek, sculpted design hints at the technological revolution brewing beneath the surface. This isn't just about breaking records. It's about rewriting the entire playbook on how a performance car should look, feel, and behave. Number 4. Koenigsegg Agera RS. The Koenigsegg Agera RS isn't just about speed, it's about defying expectations. Packing a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 pushing out an insane 1160 horsepower. This Swedish masterpiece shattered numerous production car speed records with a top speed of 278 miles per hour. Its focus on lightweight materials and extreme aerodynamics results in pure, unfiltered driving sensation. But the Agera RS isn't just an engineering marvel. It's also a stunning example of bespoke craftsmanship, with a range of unique paint finishes and the possibility for full customization. Each Agera RS is a truly one-of-a-kind hypercar. Number 3. SSC Tuatara. Hold on tight, because the SSC Tuatara takes hypercar performance to dizzying heights. Equipped with a monstrous twin-turbocharged 5.9-liter V8 engine that produces a staggering 1750 horsepower on E85 fuel, The Tuatara boasts a claimed top speed of over 286 miles per hour. Aerodynamics play a crucial role, with its design slicing through the air with minimal resistance. This American speed demon isn't just about raw numbers. It's about pushing the boundaries with every element engineered for maximum velocity. However, its speed records have been shrouded in debate, making the Tuatara a car steeped in both ambition and controversy. Number 2. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. If the goal is absolute, unadulterated speed, then the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut reigns supreme. This track-focused monster harnesses a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering up to 1,600 horsepower and is projected to shatter the 300 miles per hour barrier. Every inch of the Jesko Absolut is a masterclass in aerodynamics, honed for low drag and maximum stability at mind-bending speeds. Don't expect plush interiors. This is a purpose-built weapon, stripping back weight and distractions for absolute driver focus. The Jesko Absolut is the embodiment of cutting-edge engineering, a glimpse into the future of hypercar performance. Number 1. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300+. When Bugatti does speed, they do it with legendary style. The Chiron Super Sport 300+ isn't just a hypercar, it's a record breaker. Powered by a monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, churning out 1,600 horsepower. This special edition Chiron became the first production car to crack the 300 miles per hour barrier. But speed doesn't mean sacrificing luxury. The Super Sport 300+ blends insane performance with bespoke craftsmanship and cutting-edge aerodynamics. Its elongated design makes a bold visual statement, a testament to Bugatti's relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. Okay, time to be honest, which one of these beasts are you adding to your dream garage? Tell me in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gearhead content. Thanks for watching.